Namaste. Warm welcome from Blue Star. I am excited to walk you through the exceptional features of the O series from the inverter split range. With its smart Wi-Fi feature, you can control your AC from anywhere with our intuitive smart app. And it gets even better. Our voice command technology lets you operate the AC with simple voice commands using Google Home or Alexa devices. It also comprises customized sleep for up to 12 hours, smart scheduler, multiple AC grouping, and energy management to track and control your energy consumption among several others. The AI Pro Plus feature is based on innovative and intuitive algorithms that help the AC intelligently sense, monitor, and effectively maximize cooling, thereby providing utmost comfort while ensuring energy savings. Now you can experience personalized comfort with 5-in-1 convertible cooling. This feature enables you to adjust the cooling capacity to match your preferences, ensuring optimal comfort regardless of the weather outside. Powered by Hexa inverter technology, this AC features a robust compressor design that excels in high ambient temperatures, delivering enhanced performance along with significant energy savings even in the toughest conditions. The PM 2.5 and antimicrobial filter is a dual-action filter that deactivates bacteria and viruses while capturing fine pollutants, ensuring that you always breathe pure and clean air. Additionally, with its self-clean technology, the AC's internal coils are kept dry, preventing the risk of mold and bacterial growth. The defrost clean technology involves frosting, melting, and drying of the coil, effectively removing the accumulated dust so that the AC stays clean and performs its best. This AC also includes DigiQ HEPTA sensors, which comprise 7 different sensors that work together to provide optimal comfort, protection, and extend the life of the AC. Nano Blue Protect technology paired with the anti-corrosive blue fins offers superior protection against corrosion, enhancing the AC's durability and longevity. These features showcase Blue Star's dedication to quality, reliability, and durability, backed by more than 80 years of expertise in cooling solutions. We trust that this has been insightful and can't wait to welcome you to the Blue Star family.